Excuse me, sir. I couldn't help but notice that you seem a bit down. Is everything all right?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Just lost in my thoughts, I guess.
It's okay. Sometimes it helps to talk about what's bothering you. Maybe I can help in some way.
Well, I appreciate your concern, but it's nothing, really.
Fair enough. But if you ever feel like talking, I'm here. My name's Jack, by the way.
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you, Jack.
Likewise, Mark. So, what brings you to the garden today?
Oh, just needed some fresh air, I suppose. Clear my head a bit.
I get that. Gardens have a way of calming the mind. So, what's been on your mind lately?
It's just, I've been feeling a bit lost, you know? Like I'm not really living the life I want to live.
I see. Would you like to talk about it?
Well, it's kind of silly, but I've always had this passion for photography. I love taking pictures, capturing moments, but I'm stuck in a job that doesn't really fulfill me. I want to pursue my passion, but I'm afraid of taking that leap.
That doesn't sound silly at all, Mark. It's important to follow your passions in life, even if it means taking a risk. Tell me, what's holding you back?
I guess it's fear. Fear of failure. Fear of uncertainty. What if I quit my job and things don't work out? What if I can't make a living doing what I love?
Those are valid concerns, but they shouldn't stop you from pursuing your dreams. Sometimes, you have to take a leap of faith and trust that things will work out.
I wish it were that easy, Jack. But I have bills to pay, responsibilities to fulfill. I can't just throw caution to the wind and follow my passion.
I understand, but think about it this way. What's worse, failing at something you're passionate about, or succeeding at something you're not truly happy doing?
I suppose you have a point there, but it's still a risk I'm not sure I'm ready to take.
That's understandable. But consider this, life is too short to spend it doing something that doesn't make you happy. Maybe it's time to take that leap and start living life on your own terms.
You make it sound so easy, Jack, but it's not that simple.
It may not be easy, but it's definitely worth it. Trust me, I speak from experience.
Oh, what do you mean?
Well, let's just say I've been in a similar situation before. I had a passion for gardening, but I was stuck in a job that didn't fulfill me. It took some courage, but I eventually took the plunge and pursued my passion full-time.
And how did that work out for you?
It's been the best decision I ever made. Sure, there were challenges along the way, but I've never been happier. I wake up every day excited to do what I love, and I wouldn't trade that for anything.
That's inspiring, Jack. Maybe you're right. Maybe it's time for me to take that leap and start living life on my own terms.
I'm glad to hear that, Mark. Remember, it's never too late to start over and pursue your passions. And who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of.
Thank you, Jack. You've given me a lot to think about.
Anytime, Mark. Oh, by the way, there's something I forgot to mention earlier. I'm actually a friend of your father's. He asked me to check in on you and see how you were doing.
Wait, what? You know my dad?
Yes, he mentioned that you've been feeling down lately and wanted someone to talk to. So here I am.
I had no idea. Thank you for coming to talk to me, Jack. You've been a real friend.
It was my pleasure, Mark. Remember, I'm here for you whenever you need someone to talk to.
I won't forget that. Thank you, Jack.
Take care, Mark. And remember, follow your passion, no matter where it leads you.
I will. Thanks again, Jack. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mark, and good luck on your journey.